And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The remaining two semi-finalists in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League will be decided on Wednesday, with the return leg for the quarter-final matches at the National Stadium starting at 6. Here's Daniel McLeod with our preview.
This is what fans live for at the playoff round: excitement. They got that on Sunday, with 10 goals scored in 2 matches and no winners. It means that an interesting battle is ahead, as starting the evening proceeding will be Waterhouse against Cavalier. The two will be hoping to break the 2-all deadlock. Waterhouse were 2-0 up in the first leg before Cavalier fought back to set up an intriguing battle. Portmore United could still be wondering, how did they give up a 3-0 lead against Racing United to come away with a draw? That was the 4th meeting this season, with all matches ending in a tie. It was one of those games that you watch at the beginning and believe it was going to be a short night, but Racing gave everyone a timely reminder it's never over until the final whistle. This game is set to kick off at 9 p.m. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.